Yo, what's good? It's your boy Kurt, and today, man, we have another reaction. So today we have a request reaction. We're gonna react to Stel and Justin now perform with Street Boys, man. It's a Street Boys reunion dance concert, man. Hindi ko actually alam to, no? So nung may nag-comment na ito, sobrang curious ako na Justin, Stel, and Street Boys? What the hell? Sinerge ko siya, and yun, no, aware ako nung nagkaroon ng reunion ng Street Boys, but hindi ko alam na guest performer pala si Stel and Justin dito. So, I'm really excited, man. I am really excited. We have a fan cam here right now. This is from the channel Christian John Mazo. Without further ado, man, I'm really excited with this. Excited ako kung paano yung step na gagawin nila, but oh man, let's get it. Okay. Oh, the drip as well. The drip. Oh, it's fucking weird, man. Makita na ganito yung kami kay Stel kasi, you know, sobrang I don't know, parang sobrang flexible yung style sa mga sinusuot niya. But I mean, I feel like this is the first time nakita ko si Justin na ganito yung dating ng damit, no? I'm sorry. Hey! Hey! That's the thing with, you know, like older choreography now before, like marami siyang marami siyang 4-8 count step na inuulit-ulit lang, no? But nandun yung charm nun, no? Like yung hindi masyadong sobrang complicated ng na parang hindi na ma-process ng utak ng mga tao kung ano ba yung nangyayari, 'di ba? Yun yung charm ng mga like naunang choreography before. Ngayon kasi ang lupit din, no? But sometimes parang, oh man, hindi mo na ma-process kung ano nangyayari, no? Parang you have to like backward the video kung sa video ka nanonood kung ano nangyayari, kasi parang that is fucking lit, but the step is very complicated, no? Hindi ko na alam kung anong ginawa mo doon. So that's the charm with this, no? Especially in live performance, right? Na hindi mo naman kayang i-backwards yung nangyayari. Hey. Hey. Oh, Justin. Hey.
Nahihirapan talaga ako sa step.
Hindi ako, oh my God, fucking, hindi ako sobrang like, sa dance step ng Street Boys, like mga classic choreography nila. But even me, naparod ko na tong like routine na to, no? And we have Justin dancing this now, man. Shit, man.
Nahihirapan talaga ako sa step.
Okay, mukhang si Kuya din, no? Dancer din si Kuya dati. Yung nag-video.
Nahihirapan talaga ako sa step.
Hey. Okay. Hey. Kinaldagan naman tayo, no? Bigla naman tayo kinaldagan, no? Fuck this, kakaldagan ko kayo. Hey, hey. Vong Navarro, man. Vong Navarro, habang tumatagal, lalo siyang bumabata. You know, fucking, I don't understand this, no? Ito yung math na hindi mo maintindihan eh. Ito yung parang klase ng math question, situational na ibibigay sa'yo sa test na hindi mo maintindihan. Like, every time na may tinuturo sa klase, okay, alam ko, biglang pag nag-test, hindi mo na maintindihan. Like, what the hell? Parang wala naman to sa tinuro. Ganon si Vong Navarro, no? Yung ano niya, yung glow up niya, yung age niya. Habang tumatagal, lalo siyang bumukhang bata. And fucking, I don't understand how. Aging like a fine wine. Fucking classic. Ay, ay, ay. Damn! Linis ah. Hey! Fucking weird, man. It's fucking weird, no? Makita, I mean, I don't know why hindi ako aware dito, no? Sa collaboration ng Street Boys, Johnny Justin at Johnny Stell. This is the first time, man. But, damn! This is a fucking gem! Hey, let's go. Hey. Oh. Hey, fucking classic routine, no? Iba talaga, no? Iba talaga yung dating Street Boys, no? Hindi sa sobrang garbo ng mga dance group natin ngayon, no? Hindi siya sobrang kakomplikado, hindi siya sobrang detalyado ng kada fucking beat, fucking like bass, kailangan sabayan ng movement, no? Like every move of the body, kailangan, animated, something like that. Parang, hindi na kailangan maging gano'n komplikado. But, pag pinapanood mo sila, like, it's fucking chill, man. Like, sobrang, parang, i-enjoy mo lang yung performance. And that's the Street Boys, and that's the Street Boys trademark, no? Pagiging fucking smooth. Hey. Hey. Let's fucking go, man. Let's go, man. All right. Well, again, that is Street Boys, no? Kasama si Justin and Stel. This is from the Street Boys Reunion Dance Concert. I mean, I feel like nakangiti lang ako sa buong reaction na yun, no? Sobrang nakaka-enjoy panoorin yung performance nila. Sobrang nakaka-enjoy talaga panoorin ng Street Boys. And at the same time, makita sila, si Justin and Stel, you know, performing these routines. But yeah, I really enjoyed that, man. I hope you guys enjoyed that as well. And if you enjoyed the reaction, leave a like and subscribe. If you want to react to your favorite artist, singer, rapper, song, and get sa mga ganyan, just comment down below. And that's it for me today. See you on my next vid. You guys stay awesome. Peace.